On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this game. Participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter Gang, gang. Let's go. There is no inflation. There is no that's the theme today, I think. I think we're gonna... What do you think? Is Piper here? Can Piper tell us if there's gonna be inflation or not? Is there inflation for you? Guys, groceries in Canada have gone up so much. It's actually pretty gross, man. It's pretty... Number one issue right now is cost of living in Canada. My God. However, in the US of A, how does the US of A feel? Do you have inflation? Are your house prices so astronomically ridiculous like Canada's? You pay $1 million for a shack? How are you all feeling? What a pump for Solana. I'm actually a little bit butthurt this morning. Not gonna lie. Not even gonna lie. I got into a Solana long at the very low. And I closed it before bed. What else is new? Scalper. I got long right here, guys. Right here and right here. Oh. But I went and I closed it right here. And then I went and slept like a baby. Yeah. That's how it goes, isn't it? Put a 1 in the chat if this is your life story. This is my life story with swing trading sometimes. However, if you're part of our Discord, I mean, did you guys see? Did everybody take that dash signal in our Discord? Holy Scheisenhauser. What's going on, everybody? Bearded Mac, Mike, Nick, Musa, Dan, Milan, gang. Let's go, baby. What's going on, Alexandra G? Drive safely. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful morning. Shri and Pandy, Rush, Kate, JDM, kids, good morning. Good to see you, SMR, and Jack Trades, Anon, Primo Viva, just cover it, Rush. Crypto, Jung, what's going on, Ando Pancho? My man, what's going on? How you doing? Army Piper is here. There is no inflation, bro. It pains me, man. It pains me to see. I took 3 trades down here last night, and I didn't hold a single one of them. Alex, show the trades, take the trades, helping everybody navigate the charts. Look, entry price 138.18. Oh man, who would have loved to be long from here? Entry price 138.19 or 137. Look at this, 137.93. Look at this entry, guys. 137.93. I was long from here. And guys, this ain't no small position size. This was like $1 million position size. This would be like a $40,000 trade right now. Oh, man. Kicking myself, man. Look at this one. Last night. You know what this was, right? I was watching the hockey game. And like, it was a late game last night. And I like watching the hockey game, man. It's like kind of my like, you know, and it was actually a really, really effing good game last night. And maybe that caused me to like exit earlier. I don't know. But I'm complaining this morning, okay? I'm complaining about making money. Typical, right? But damn, Daniel. Damn. It gets away sometimes, doesn't it, guys? It gets away sometimes. Good to see a decent Frost Dog, Evening Legends, Isaac Castile, Tracy, Grayson, Curtis Hill. What's going on? Shredder, French Toaster in the chat. How's those beautiful roller skates working? We haven't done a roller skate poll in a while. Maybe we have to do that. Tony Soprano, Decent Crypto, Jose Harp. What's going on, guys? Good to see you. The Midnight Hammer is in the chat, guys. Discord member, guys. Shout out to the Midnight Hammer. No Midnight Hammer, man. Khalifa, Wayne, good to see you. Ando, Al Jr. Hammer's in the chat. Keen Bean, Tony Soprano. Wild. Slightly higher, says Army Piper. They're gonna hike now. Jerome Powell's all like pissy, man. Someone pissed in his cornflakes. Oh man. Not for what I buy groceries have come way down, minus beef. All right. I am deflated. Slightly higher. Keen Bean. What's going on, Jack's Trades? Food is ridiculous in New York. Ask JR how bad the food prices are, man. FJ Trading. My brother. What's going on, bro? How you doing, man? Great setup on Dash, bro. I mean, the Discord wants to, you know, rub your magic lantern. Let's put it that way. Look at that, guys. I don't know why people aren't in the Discord, but they should be. They're missing out. I'm going to create FOMO. Isn't that my job to create FOMO? I ain't no marketer, guys. Come on. The proof's in the pudding. That's all I got to say, man. Dash was crazy, man. Crazy setup. I was looking at Dash too. My setup was down here. I gave a setup like this. And mine played out too. So, you see, we had two people looking at Dash. My God, so good, man. It's funny how like both of us were looking at it. But, beautiful, beautiful play, man. Hype, render, XRP. Where's the Dash setup? Anyways, it's in there on mine and on yours, FJ. So great trade, bro. Damn, Daniel. Darren does things. Chris Sefisi, best Discord in crypto. It's like, it's just, is it comparable? Andrew Cameron. I love the comment, man. I'm trying to behave myself though, bro. We got the Midnight Hammer in here. My Big Mike here. Thank you for the soul setup. Nice, man. I did give the soul setup last night. Gave the buy level. Everybody knew about it. I mean, it was there. Hello. Even in my TA section. I mean, I was looking for the sweep down. Look at this. Right into the box, guys. It couldn't be any more clear. Could it? I don't know. Fuck. Do you want me to put a big ass arrow in here and say, if this, enter. If this, enter. Here you go. If this, enter. Awesome, man. I think it worked out pretty well. I'm pretty happy with that too. I took it. I took it 3 times. That's what she said. Okay. I'm on one already, guys. Holy smokes. 250 people in here. What's going on, everybody? You smacking up like buttons or what? We're waiting for data right now. Don't ask me for TA until inflation data comes out. We will TA it after. Or we can do a little bit before. We'll do a little bit before. We got core inflation, hardcore, year over year, month over month, all that good stuff. Inflation rate coming out this morning. Okay, going to be a fun one. All right. Put on your diapers, prepare for lunch, or prepare for dump. I don't know. I'm not here to decide which direction we're going. I'm here to wait and maybe take advantage of this today. We'll see what she gives us. Chair Perro is not happy right now. He's in protest. He spent too much money on a home renovation. He got the nice tiles. You know, he should have been more cheaper. Yeah. Instead, he acted like a bitch and he got the nice tiles for his wife. He didn't say, "Honey, we can't get those tiles. They're too expensive." And she said, "But they match my outfit." And he said, "Okay, honey." Right? And now Donald Trump mad. Don't make Donald Trump mad. He has a specific set of skills. All right. Hefe, what's going on? Dopey Bull, good to see you. Andrew Cameron, good to see you, man. JR, Bad Baptist, Keen Bean, Isaac, Chelsea, Piggy, Handy, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Anon, King Vaughn, Melissa's in the chat. What's going on, Melissa? God bless you. Day 1, Melissa's been here. Async, how you doing, man? It's been a while. Jeez. How would you feel if your president was about to fire you for just doing your job? I mean, if the job isn't being done properly, then I would probably be okay with him firing me. I mean, inflation's been at 2 to 3% forever. It's been the longest hiking cycle ever. I mean, give it a break, man. My thing is like small businesses, like you got your Mag 7, 8, whatever. They're all fine, but you got small businesses can't survive with high borrowing rates. Come on, if you want your economy to get booming, baby, you gotta let these little guys borrow. The little guys are what create the big guys, you know? And especially in this time and age where we have AI and we want fierce competition. We want those young guys who are smart with all the tech stuff. I mean, I'm not one of them, but you know, we want them to be able to borrow and to dream and to innovate and to make things more efficient and solve problems, right? If we don't do that, then what are we doing, man? We just pump in the bags of Google so that they can have 40% of the YouTube commission and, you know, take all of our data, sell it to like all the weirdos, and all of a sudden we're getting like weird pop-ups that we shouldn't be seeing popping up because we said something in the mall, you know? They're all listening. How many times do we say they're all listening, right? You say, "Oh, I like Lululemon." And then boom, you got like 40 Lululemon, you know, pictures on your phone. And you're like, "Well, I'm sorry, wife. Like I just said I liked Lululemon, and then now there's all these girls in yoga pants on my phone. I can't help it. They're listening." Oh, man. The Dash trade paid my Discord membership for the next 10 years in 5 hours. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Well, there you go. There you go. Best Discord in crypto, man. Horrible food prices. Yeah, man. Chantel, good to see you. I see you guys. I see you guys. Oh. Oh, man. All right, we got 14 minutes. Good morning, Curb. Good morning, Andrew. Good morning, Vegas Claude. Good morning, Todd. Silver breaking out. I mean, they're hunting vampires, man. They got to use it. Or is it werewolves? I don't know which one. It's werewolves or something like that. Has Crypto Savvy ever been right? I don't know, man. Ask Crypto. Look what he's predicted. I always use reply when I'm sharing the profit. Nice. So good, man. So good. French Toaster. I see you, buddy. I see you. God bless you. Thank you for the 10 French Toaster in the chat, man. That basic crypto chick. Good morning, Rodney. Good morning, Vestige Lurker. This petty Lurker. Amy Lives Crypto. Amy Lives Crypto's in the chat. God bless you. How's the baby? How's everything? Hopefully you're doing well. Karsten Lurker. Captain Pancakes Lurker. Gypsum Geek. This guy's a drywaller. Good morning. I'll say good morning to a drywaller. I know it's not easy, man. Those 12-foot sheets, 5/8. Oh, man, fire rated. Whoo-wee. Screw it in. Screw it in already. I've been there. Captain Swag, K-Size, Lurker, man. Oh, man. You ever work with an apprentice there doing drywall? You don't have a drywall lift. You got your apprentice here, and he's on the little mini rolling scaffold here. You got your little mini rolling scaffold with your apprentice here, and he doesn't know how to use a damn drill. He's got all brand new tools. They've never been used. He's got his little hard hat here on his head, right? And he doesn't know how to use his screw gun, and he's rolling around on his scaffold, right? And then the actual men are picking up the 12-foot sheet. Got your big 12-foot sheet of drywall here. You're holding it up, right? And you're waiting for the little apprentice here to screw in. All right, he's trying to screw in the drywall here. So he's got the drywall. He's on the rolling scaffold. You got the one piece of wood with the T. Okay, you got the T square. You got the T prop here holding up the one side, and you're over here on like a bucket, right? For me, I'm on 3 buckets because I'm only 5'4". Okay, and you're trying to hold up this piece of drywall here, and you're sweating, right? You haven't had lunch yet, and he's sitting here dropping screws. Like an absolute chump, man. And he's punching holes in the drywall. He hasn't done them straight. It looks like a friggin' starlit night on this piece of drywall, and he's just trying to put them in. Oh my god. And you're just like, screw it, you piece of Who's been there? I've been there so many effing times, I can't even tell you, man. It's hard to get good help. It's hard to get good help, guys. I'm telling you. Everybody, you've been there? Have you been there? I've been there. Oh my god, have I been there. Oh, fuck. Oh, man. Anyways, looking at Bitcoin. Nice pump last night, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Head and shoulders right now. Rotation down. Looking for golden pocket retracement. Order block down here. SFP of the low. Nice push up here. Holding up strong. Outperforming Solana last night. Solana, when this was happening, Solana was down here. Okay, so Solana was the better trade, which was given in the Discord. However, Looking for a retracement continuation. This is pretty flat, head and shoulder, little roll over here. We got triple top on the higher term time frames as well, so that could roll over. Uptrending momentum. We'll see how we behave down here if we want to continue upwards and onwards. Concerning areas are down here and down here. Okay, we have imbalance down here. We never came back for this last night, so concerning. So we'll see how we go. We got 10 minutes here till market opens. Market cipher looks exhausted. Okay, we are overextended on the 4, 3, 2, and 1 hour time frame. So we are overextended. I can show you what that looks like if you would like. It just says that we are up here. Okay, overbought. Okay, we're overbought. We're overbought. We're overbought. We're overbought. We're overbought. We're overbought. Okay. Doesn't mean we can't continue, just means that we might need to cool whip off a bit. All right, we got to cool whip it off a bit. Bearish divergence, rotation down. Money, we do have green, green play ball. Money flows good, looking hot, man, looking hot. So we'll see. However, this price action is absolutely grim, mate. Okay, we can see here that we do have, we have a double top. Sweep into the high up here. This is our golden pocket major resistance level here. So failure, bearish divergence. We haven't really mitigated the low yet and then retested. So we could get something like this. So we could look for a retest into here and a rejection if we take this low here, in my opinion. If we take that low there, close below it, because that would be our, would it be? Let's double check here, guys. Double check. Yeah. I would like to see this low lost and then retest it back. And we could do this one here. But it would be along that line, right? And then, and then bye-bye. All right? All right? And take it into here. And into here, into the cryptoverse. I don't know. Ben. We're all pissed at Ben because he was right. Thank you, Ben Cowan, for being right. Warning everybody that we don't have to have an altcoin season. I actually shook Ben Cowan's hand at the Bitcoin conference. Nice guy, man. Nice guy. I thanked him for his Bitcoin dominance videos. He does a good job, man. I respect that, man. Good work. Good TA. Called the move on East. East went home. Yada, yada, yada. Very good job, man. Salute. He probably like, who the F is this weird short midget shaking my hand? I'm into the cryptoverse. Doesn't he know who I think I am? But whatever. He was kind enough to, I stopped him in his tracks and I said, "Hey, Ben, thank you, bro." You can ask. I was there with Piano Matty B, Rocco, and Tradefly, I think. Yeah. He's tall, though. He doesn't appear tall. He's really skinny, too. He's skinny and tall. Big head with a big-ass brain, man. Smart man. Smart man. All right. Check VWAP. There we are. Holding, baby. Holding. Look at this uptrending momentum trying to push continuation here. Coming into the data. Yesterday, after the live stream, I was able to take a Solana long. We had a breakout retest. It was a very mixed signal yesterday. We gave the idea for longs down here. We went over this in review. I got long literally on this wick here and took this up for about $3,000 after the live stream yesterday. And then we had double top, concerning, switch, retest, down we went. Then we came all the way back down into our support level down here. Bullish divergence, bounce off that area that was given in advance as well, and off we went. So it's not been easy, but if you've been treating this as a range, it has been fairly easy. Bit slow at times, but fairly easy. So if this, then that, we'll be prepared today. Thank you everybody for being here, supporting the channel. Almost 400 people in here. Man, you guys are cool. thank you for the likes as well. 367 people, 100 likes. That's great, man. Thank you guys for supporting this channel and subscribing. If you do want to take your trading further and you want the setups and you want setups like this and you want Solana spoon feeds like this and how to trade it and how to take the trades in 150 lessons of absolute magic where I swear at you and try to make you better. Some days I'm the David Goggins. I absolutely yell at everybody and I say, manage your effing risk, take the trade, slow and steady. Some days I'm very kind and soft and I try to do both, but yesterday I gave everybody shit. Which sometimes it needs to happen. I wish I had someone who would do that to me, be like, hey man, you're gambling. Because it's true, man. It's true. Sometimes you need someone to tell you exactly the truth. Because that's how we roll, right? That soul trade paid big. Let's go, baby. That's the one, man. Yeah. I mean, I would have been up at least minimum 15 grand, but I took profits too early and that's it, man. Show your work. That's the one, right? F-bomb? That's the one. Good to see you, Alan. How you doing, brother? Slinky, hi. Can you explain what an order block is? Yeah, it's basically when you have multitude of candles in one direction, and in between those candles you have one of the opposite colors. Okay, so you have multitudes of green, followed by a red, followed by green. And that red becomes an order block, which is an area in which an order is looking, they're magnetic. So you're looking for price to return and bounce off of them. Nice push here. So if you have if this is your order block in here, right? So here's your little order block, these guys in here, right? So you have green, 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 order block. So that's your order block. Typically, price likes to return and bounce off of it. Okay. Magic. 2 minutes here. 2 minutes till news. No trade for me right now. Just chilling, hanging out with you beautiful, degenerate, gorgeous, utterly fantastic people. Thank you for being here and being part of the family. I do appreciate you. And if you are new here, we're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. 10:15. Sorry, 10:15. Taking the trades, showing the trades, trying to make crypto honest again. Doing really well this month. We're up about $33,000 this month already, so it's a good start to the year. Slow and steady, man. I've only had 2 big days, $9,000, two like $9,000 days, which has helped, but it's been $2,000 days, $3,000. Yesterday was a $3,000 day. Happy days. Right, but showing you the trades, taking the losses, showing you everything. Just trying to make crypto honest again, man. And there's a lot of good marketers out there. There's not a lot of good traders out there. Let's just put it that way. So we're trying to help you guys learn from people who are actually doing this. I think that's important. I've never really shilled an exchange in here, but I did message my Bitunix exchange yesterday and said I'm willing to take a 30% haircut on Bitunix fee structures, commissions, if you give my community a massive discount. I don't know if you guys are interested, but I did message my affiliate, I guess you would say. I don't make jack dilly squat. Here we go. Big push, baby. Let's go. Valhalla, baby. Big push here on Biddy. Data coming in. Woof. Here we go. All right. There is no inflation. Coming in even Steven. Coming in even Steven, guys. Core inflation coming down. 2.6, guys. Awesome. Awesome. There is no inflation, guys. We're coming down. Previous was 2.6. Actual 2.6. Was expected to come up, but it didn't. Inflation 0.2, guys. Consensus was 0.3. Underneath expectations, guys. 2.7. Forecasted was 2.7. I can't wait for Piper to tell us these numbers are fake. There is no inflation, guys. We are just chilling. We are just chilling like a villain. Hopefully y'all took profits on that big push up. Damn. Damn, Daniel. What a push. Let's go. Let's go. Look at the NASDAQ. NASDAQ doesn't give two smackarellis, man. Solana, double top. Bitcoin. Coming back down. Push ya, nambe pambe. Interesting. Dash. NASDAQ. Bitcoin. Push. Solana. Push ya, nambe pambe. Continue. Put a 1 in the chat if you are long. Long dong silvers in the chat, man. Look at this thing. It's ripping. There is no inflation, man. 470 people in here. What's going on, gang? Gang. Gang, we are going to the moon, baby. FOMO no mo. FOMO no mo. Longs in the chat. Longs in the chat. Longs in the chat. Miss Ting Crypto, Randy Hipper in the chat. Gang, gang, gang. Guys, this is great, man. You guys are incredible. Thank you guys for being here. I took a little FOMO long. I'm not even gonna lie. I took a little Solana slap for $300. I can't lie to you guys. You guys know too much. You guys know too much. I took a Solana long for $280. I'm up 280 already. I degened. I did a little slap on that retracement, guys. All right. Showing you the trades. There's your $280, okay? I felt the need to do it. I wanted to be like you guys. Stop loss to entry, instant take profit, flash close, okay? There's ways to trade this garbage, and there's ways to get wrecked. If you top blasted, you're wrecked. If you don't know to pull back, I'll do a lesson if you guys want on how to trade news events. I shouldn't give them the secret sauce, should I, Discord? I mean, there is a technique. News trading. Okay, FOMC news trading. Guys, we teach everything here, okay? I teach you all of my secrets here. Okay, so we're going to talk about FOMC and just strategy, okay? So what you're going to have is your look left confluence. So you're going to have liquidity high, liquidity low, okay? You're going to have your first liquidity that has been taken or your first liquidity that has been taken. In our case, the high has been taken. We had a push yesterday. Who's this guy? Which swept the liquidity. He's not talking a lot of shit. He's actually teaching. Liquidity yesterday, and it has come down. And it's I actually take pride in. Point of control. I take pride in the way I teach. I believe I'm a very good teacher, but the gang can answer that for you guys. I believe I'm a very good teacher. Otherwise, I wouldn't do this. I mean, I teach for Chart Prime. I've been doing it for how long now, Piper? 2 years? Thank you, Guy. Thank you for keeping my secrets, bro. I appreciate you, man. If you're new to the Discord and you want to learn how to trade this, go watch that video, guys. I'll show you how to trade this. And not get wrecked. That's the key, right? Not get wrecked, right? There's a tell, there's a liquidity event, and then there's a move. If you know how to read it, which I teach you, then you can make money. The Nasdaq is going to absolute Valhalla right now. This is incredible. The Russell looks so good. Piper, you cannot hate on the macro, bro. Did you see the macro post I posted? Okay, so AlexOCrypto, he called the head and shoulders back here. He called the value area high retest right here. He called the breakout right here. And he has targets above. Aren't you proud of me, Piper? Haven't I come a long way? I couldn't. I like 2 years ago, I couldn't do a macro analysis to save my life. However, it's all fractals, guys. If you know, you know. I know Piper's proud of me because I learn, even though I suck at swing trading. I don't suck at it. I just suck at holding trades, man. I'm pulling out my hair. I got a lot of hair though, so we'll be all right. Thank God I got my Italian. I got cousins. Okay, we got like Irish and Italian, right? So it's a very clear distinction of who's Italian, who got the Italian, and who got the Irish, right, or the British, right? So either they're pale as hell, and they're bald, right, or you're like me. You're a little tinge olive, and you got the thick wop hair, right? My poor cousin, he's 6'2", okay, but he's bald and pale. All right, so pick your poison. Pick your poison. You can't have it all. That was a good enough CPI print, good enough to support risk, good enough to avoid tightening fears, not good enough to force the Fed's hand. Thanks, Piper. I follow your Discord and it helps a ton. Thank you for being in it, man. Canady. God bless you, man. Skyrie, what's going on? Frank Fit for Life, my man. How you doing? Perhaps you should stop trading with max leverage and take a manageable position size. I manage my position size like an absolute crazy man. Okay, there's no my issue is I'm an intraday trader. So therefore, when I take a swing trade, I'm taking profits like an intraday trader, right? We talk a lot about intention, right? Like my intention last night was to watch the damn hockey game, right? Like I got long here. I'm watching the hockey game. Leafs score, I take a long kind of deal. You know, what an amazing hockey game last night. Overtime winner for the Toronto Maple Leafs over the number 1 Colorado Avalanche. Absolutely incredible, right? My vision wasn't to go into this trade and sleep, okay? My vision was to take money out of the market last night, and I did. But it's like, if I, a lot of those, if I had just held this, I wake up and I'm like, if I had just held that and not taken any profit, I'd be up 30K right now. It's a lot of that, right? Which is fine. It's just like me trying to, help myself with maybe some more intentional swing trades. Me personally, I'd rather hit 4 $3,000 trades than hit a $10,000 trade. That's just me because I'm getting paid. That's how I trade, right? Because then the trade is closed. I sleep like an absolute baby. I can go and spend time with my family. These are the things that I wanted out of trading. That's why I'm an intraday trader and scalper. Discord members, we are going straight from the live stream into the Discord for a live scalping session today. Okay, we'll be we'll be trading today with you guys after the session, and we'll see what we get. Little pump and dump here coming in. I just want this to settle right now. Typically, after you get your little violence move, okay, you get your violence move, then you get flat until market open, then you get the volatility again, right? So you'll get a lot of this janky stuff, and then you'll go flat, and then you'll have some better decisions to be made. But failure to continue, NASDAQ, trying to hold, trying to push. For now, we wait. For now, we wait. All right. What's going on, Magic Mike? Good to see you, man. Army Piper, thank you. God bless, man. Susan, what's going on, bro? Good to see you, man. How you doing? Chase, what's going on? This is my first AlexOCrypto stream. I'm actively trying to learn from Geo and White Phoenix. All right. Yeah, they got their style. Okay, they got, smart money Phoenix concepts. And they're profitable, so and they're traders, right? So you're learning from traders, which is great, man. Good friends of the channel. God bless Geo and Phoenix. And that's it, man. There's a million ways to skin a cat. Okay? There's a million ways. So it's good. I'm glad to hear that you're learning from people who actually trade. That's all that I care about. I don't want you, That's my thing. That's my thing. Traders helping traders. That's what my Discord's built on. That's what we're built on here. We want you want to see proof of the pudding results, right? Started my account at 60 grand this year, and I'm at 92,391, right? 39, yeah. So just doing it, man. Right? Before we had a paid Discord, before we had all this, we've been doing it. So that's the deal. What amazing honky game. You don't suck at swinging. Swing trades suck with crypto. Yeah. Yeah, it's a round trip world. It's a round trip world, man. I guess I like a 3% moves. Pretty wild. You've been liquidated 17 times already this year? Sheesh. Who's that? Someone shorted this? We're going to get Randy scalping. Randy, you're going to come and scalp with me and get emotional. You said you get too emotional trading. What's going on, T.I.? Good to see you, man. How you doing? God bless you. Trading is very similar to golf. You always think you could have done better. That's it, man. If only I sunk that putt. I don't know. I don't think I could have golfed better yesterday. Guys, I shot the light set at the simulator yesterday. I was on absolute fire, man. The irons were absolutely dart throwing, man. Like 200 yards out, 5-iron, throwing it within 4 feet. Guys, I was on fire. I got the proof for you guys. I took the picture. All right. We played the Ryder Cup, which is a professional course. I shot a 67, guys. I was front 9. I shot a 33, guys. I was on fire. Okay. I was on fire. Okay. I took 3 mulligans. I'm not going to lie. I took 3 mulligans, but I shot a 67, probably one of my best scores in the simulator. I was on fire yesterday, guys. Whew. Oh, man. So fire. $200 yards for a 5-iron is not good when you hit your driver 300. So I don't know. This is my spread, but like 5-iron, I can do like a 190 nice low stinger and then like a 205 carry if I want. And then 4-irons about 210, 215. I have a hybrid 3-iron, like a big fat one, a 505. I can hit that about 230. Then I can hit my 3-wood 250 to 260. And then I hit my driver 290 to 300. So I mean, I'm doing all right. Mulligans are like taking a redo, right? So like you hit it into the it's like a breakfast ball. You hit it into the bushes, you can hit the mulligan button and reshoot. This looks like it's going to rotate down, guys. I mean, a little bit overextended. Like I said, would like to see us come down into here. However, VWAP's holding up quite nicely coming into to the market right now. A little bit of patience is going to help us. Solana looks juicy as well. I really don't like looking at Solana anymore, right? Because, I mean, she took my money away last. The Discord's been on fire. I don't know. Everybody who took this said Dash has paid their tuition for the next 15 years in the Discord. 80% move on Dash, given in advance in the Discord. Join the Discord, guys. I mean, it's the best Discord in all crypto. 8 traders. Not only do you get... Look at this, guys, man. Holy smokes. Just absolutely crushing it, guys. Given in advance, you just set it and forget it. I mean... I can't show you guys all the signals. You guys are probably here screenshotting, but look at this. Give it in advance. Entry 3818, market order, blah, 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 blah. Look at that, man. Printing, like incredible. And that's just one of the traders. I mean, you get me, you get all the lessons. I mean, if we can't help you navigate these charts, I mean, you just probably shouldn't be trading. You should be probably pushing carts at Walmart. So come over, hang out, join the Discord, all that good stuff. It's the only thing I'm not trying to sell you on it. I'm just trying to say, you know, it's just fire. How has your trading been this year? Up, down, wrecked, break even. So everybody was a lot of break evens, which is a good place to be to start the year, guys. It's been a lot of chop lately, range bound, sideways consolidation, no real trending markets. So that's okay, guys. Like, break even is a very easy thing to fix. It means you're managing your risk. Okay, most of the time, okay, if your P&L is looking like this, if it's looking like this, right, that's okay. But if it's looking like this, you're not managing your risk properly, okay? You do not want to see these losses, okay? This means you're over-risking your position size. You need it to be slow and steady. In case you get some drawdown, you're good to go. Okay, so that's... If you're break even, that means you're taking trades and you're generally getting stopped out, or you're over-leveraging. And this one's the bad one. Don't be here, okay? Manage your risk 1%, 2% on swings, whatever, right? But like, give yourself a chance, man. It's a long-term game. Long-term game. But we be printing in the Discord. I mean, everybody in the Discord is celebrating now. Crazy. Good fun. So if you're up, keep going, keep doing your thing, keep managing your risk. Don't give it back, right? I mean, high probability trade setups over and over again with good risk management with high probabilities, you know, over time you should be crushing it, right? If you're down, right? If you're down, but you've been managing your risk, good job. If you're down, but you've been over risking, give yourself a little wake up call and say, hey man, what are you doing? This is not gambling. Okay. I think the key is that, you know, strategy and risk management, man. I think if you're not implementing a strategy to your trading and you're just clicking buttons, you're 50-50, right? I mean, over trading, you got to watch that as well. FOMO. I mean, there's ways to get into FOMO safely. You guys see me do it here, like on the news event. I took a long and took that up on Solana, but Stop loss was at entry. I was willing to risk, $100 or whatever. And it worked out. But at the end of the day, it was a roll of the dice trade kind of deal, right? So you got to understand your intention when you get into the trade and where you're looking to manage your risk. And seeing it work and seeing it play out over time. And if you are wrecked, I'm sorry to hear that, man. Stay with us. Stay close. Learn from people who are doing this thing, man. Learn from people who are doing this thing. Bitcoin's doing a good job of holding out here. We'll see how we gap here on the S&P this morning. Nice push up on the ES. So we're going to expect a gap up on the SPY this morning. Damn, this thing pretty overextended in my opinion. Everybody's having a beautiful day. Happy Tuesday, everybody. Tuesday with 2 C's and 2 H's. Tuesday, as my wife says. It's bloody Tuesday, mate. No, she doesn't talk like that. She has a West Midlands accent. Where do we subscribe to the Discord? It's AlexOCrypto.com. Magic. Pinned in the comments. Hey, brother, do you think trading full-time for a living is possible and practical? Yeah, absolutely. I'm a carpenter, man. If a dumbass carpenter like myself, tradesman, can click some buttons successfully on a daily basis, I did it for over a year and a bit without any sort of Discord payment stuff, right? $300 to make $900. I had a pretty good year. So I replaced my income with trading, and now it's full on. I mean, I've replaced my income basically this month trading almost, right? So, I mean, it's very, very possible compounding an account, turning it from $1,000 to $100,000 was, once you get to about $5,000 to $10,000 account that you're trading with, it really changes everything because you start making hundreds a day, right? So my advice would be start slow, find a strategy, implement the strategy, join a Discord, learn from people who are doing it, pay yourself, document. It's a painful journey. I promise you that. Sometimes I've wanted to quit. I've wanted to quit probably 20 times at least in the last 4 years. At least. Stopped out. Bullshit. This is bullshit. Market maker hunting me. I've also made $35,000 in one day. Felt like I was a god, Fit $10,000 trades on the live streams, whatever, right? But some days it's, some days it's torture. It's torture. So a lot of people aren't cut out for it, I think, too, right? And that's the hard reality. I can hit my 6-iron about 6-irons about 190, 180, 190. Mike, if you've seen how I swing my driver, you would understand. It's like a Bryson DeChambeau driver, bro. I swing it like out of my shoes, like a baseball player. Just at the overtrading hump at the moment. How long did it take me to be profitable? You get to a point where you get sick of it, right? So when we look at the journey for me, right? I started trading. they always give you, the first one's free, right? Like if, they want to hook you, right? Drug addicts or whatever, right? So I started trading here. I shorted here on FTX or on the Terra Luna collapse. I shorted this right here with my 1,000 DGen account. Okay, I was up like 11 grand, and then I was on cross margin, and then I shorted Solana as well, and I got liquidated. That was my first trade, guys. Like my first real trade. I was dabbling, but my first real trade, I turned 1,000 to 11,000. I was up 11 grand, telling my wife, telling her mom, we're going to make it, right? Unemployed, and then liquidated, okay? And then I degen traded for a long time, guys. I degen traded from May, June, July, August, September for like 7 months. Degen trading, 77x leverage, TRB, tart coin, right? And then from here to here is where I compounded my account. So I got very, very tired of losing here. What you need to do, you gotta get sick of being an absolute degen. Okay, you gotta implement strategy and risk management. This will change it. You implement strategy and risk management, you can compound your account. Add a little sprinkle of mindset in there, and you'll get better and better and better. Then I went full time. Okay, full time through here. That's where I launched the Discord right here. Okay, so I was full time, no paid Discord, none of this shit. From here to here, no paid anything. No affiliates, no sponsorships. CryptoFace sponsored my channel somewhere in here. Okay. And then I've been full time since here. Right? So you can do it, but it's not easy. It's not meant to be easy. I'm obsessive. I don't quit. I show up every single day. I mean, until this year, I worked 17-hour days, teaching, working, you name it. I thought I'd work less getting into trading. Nope, not true. You work more. Now I can take the foot off the gas a little bit. Not much, but a little bit, right? Because I like spending time. I got into this to spend time with my family, right? And spend time with my son. Build a life of freedom and show others how to do it. That's why we're here. That's always been the why. So if I'm not doing that, then what am I doing here, right? Choppy. Like I said, volatility incoming, then sideways into market open. Solana looks really good here. Looks like it wants to rotate back up to 144. See if we can continue here. Bitcoin's a little bit overextended, so a little bit of contrarian price action this morning. We'll see what we get coming into market open. Thank you everybody for being here, supporting the channel. Dang, losing 11K was a fucking boat ton of money to me back then too, man. Like I was pretty broke, man. I think people start with way too much margin at the start, yeah. Start slow with me, yeah. That's it. Right, slow and steady. I would start paper trading, Curbstar, but if you're gonna go 1K is fine, right? You gotta be okay with risking $10 to make $30 if you want to risk 3,000 to make 9,000. Okay, that's where I'm at now, right? But you eventually have to be invested with the money. I did lose 1K, not 11, but I was up 11. I turned it into 11, yeah, and then I cross margin traded Solana, and then it came back and I liquidated all my money. Yeah. I didn't know what to do, right? I didn't know cross margin, isolated. I had no idea. No idea. Risk management is key. Yeah. Can you show me your VWAP bands value? Yeah, it's just standard deviation bands, 1 to 1, 2 to 1, and 2.5 to 1. This is your VWAP 1, 2, 2.5. Free indicator. Make sure you're using Bybit. Rotation down here. Rotation down here. Solana rolling out. NASDAQ flat. Still waiting here. Thank you, everybody, for being here and hanging out. 500 people in here. 180 likes. We only need 20 more likes, guys, if you wouldn't mind. Liking and subscribing, all that good stuff. Here we come for that low. Here we're coming for that low. There's the hockey game last night. Big sweep here on Bitcoin. Rotation down, imbalance down here. Bitcoin dumping. Nice rollover, enticing all the buyers this morning, guys. Typical rotation. Coming for that low now. Let's see how it behaves. Losing uptrending momentum. Wow. Tell me that isn't scammy. Holy smokes, man. That was scammy as hell. Volatility in the house, man. No touchy here, guys. No trade yet. Just still waiting here. But VWAP slap retest continuation down. Possibility here. That thing jumped, man. That was like a... I don't know. You see Sniper's Nightmare pull out his fishing rod. There's fish. I could see that guy, man. He's just looking for fish all the time. I bet you that guy owns more lures than, I don't know. They probably call him Jingles, but the way he walks down the street. Snow is gone. Gray as... Yeah, it rained. It's warm in Canada, guys. It's like 7 degrees the other day. Isn't that crazy? It was minus 30 last week. What's going on, V-Monitor? God bless you, bro. How you doing, man? Good to see you, French Toaster. French Toaster, thank you for the 10, man. I think a lot of cryptos users do YouTube for the tax breaks as trading. No, not really. I mean, for me, I trade underneath a corporation, which you still get taxed regularly, but you can control the amount that you're taxed at. So from a corporation, the corporation makes the tax money, and then you pay yourself dividends from the corporation, right? So I can pay myself $100K a year, and then that gets taxed at full max in Canada. And then let's say I made $300,000 that year trading. $200,000 gets taxed at corporate, which is only 11%. Okay. So there's ways to do it like that. So you can pay yourself. If you're a sole prop, I mean, you're paying full tax on all of it, right? So there's ways to do it once you start making good money. But you gotta know what you're doing. I just incorporated my trading last year, so it's gonna be a bit better. But it's still, I'm getting kicked in the nuts hard. Pay your taxes, everybody. But there is ways to kind of reduce it a little bit. talk to an accountant. That would be a good this is never financial advice, but talk to an accountant, man. That would help you. Okay. Make sure your wife does. What candles do you have your trend line drawn off of? And why off those candles mine look different? This one here. Does that make sense? I don't know where yours is. This is mine here. That's your low. That's your low. Does that make sense? I don't know where you're drawing yours, but that's where mine is. I'll show you mine. You show me yours. Okay. This was Scam Wiki. I'm not really interested in this price action right now. Chop sideways, dump, pump, bouncing around. It's kind of sketchy, isn't it? One trade today, a little quick FOMO trade on the news pump here, up $280 to start the day, everybody. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful day. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel and hanging out here, smacking up the like buttons. We just got inflation data today. So far, so good. Coming in under consensus, 2.6, staying flat. Core inflation, 0.3%, as consensus forecasted for 0.2. So inflation's pretty steady right now. However, watch out for this flashbang, okay? As we can see in here, it hasn't really changed rates, I bet, right? So if we look at the rates, no cuts, guys. 5% chance of cuts. This was at 12 or something, so no real change to the cuts. But nonetheless, no inflation. It's probably good for the market, to say the least. A little pump, a little dump, okay? So rotation back down. Trying to hold VWAP here, chopping the WAP. Not really interested. I wanted to see a candle close below the low over here, but we didn't get it. So I'm just trying to be patient right now, waiting for market to probably open. Yeah, it's not. Solana looks better. It's holding its structure. This has been a very weird sweep for Bitcoin. So let's see if we can push and start making higher highs and higher lows on the way out here. Patience will prevail. Thank you, everybody, for being here and subscribing, taking the trades, all that good stuff. Lunar Beaches, are you at 1,000 subscribers yet, man? You are actually my goal. 938, guys. Oh my God, 938. Your hard work, Lunar Beaches Crypto. What do you have here? 9 confluence in action, volume, VWAP, Fibonacci, market structure foundations, supply and demand zones. Let's do Wanker VWAP.
Welcome back to Lunar Beach Crypto. We ride the wizard.
All right. Go over here and subscribe, guys. We'll do a giveaway for the Discord. We'd be doing Discord giveaways to try and get Lunar Beaches to 1,000 subscribers. Go over here. Comment Otter Gang, please. Otter Gang, please. And subscribe to my friend Lunar Beaches Crypto, man. He's been trading longer than I have. Okay? Longer than I have. Let's get him to 1,000 subscribers. This has been my New Year goal. What were you at, man? You were at like 700 or something like that. 600, 700. I've been trying my best, man, to help out a brother. You family, bro, and you're a very kind, hardworking dad. Okay, go over here and comment Otter Gang and subscribe to Lunar Beaches Crypto, and we'll be giving a giveaway to the Discord where you can get setups like this, where you make 80% and pay for your Discord for eternity. Thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting fellow creators. God bless you guys. Please go over and subscribe to Lunar Beaches Crypto. and try to get him up there, and then we'll do the giveaway. If you're already in the family, you can go over there and comment and whatever. If you're already subscribed, go and comment. We'll still do the giveaway. And hopefully you all subscribe to Lunar Beach's crypto over there. Good value, good person, good human. Okay.
Welcome back to Lunar Beach Crypto.
960. We're almost there, man. We're almost there, man. I believe. All right, trying to push here. Coming back into sweep of the lows, continuation trade, back up, onwards and upwards. We got buyers stepping up here for Bitcoin on CVD, looking strong. Watching over here on monkey thingy terminal. Okay. Trying to hold here. VWAP, a little bit of a VWAP battle we got going on here. Solana looks better. Look at the CVD. I never seen CVD last night. Look at this divergence, guys, for the low here. Okay, so you got CVD. Look at how good. So we got sellers stepping up all the way up on this uptrend. But look at this last night, guys. You can't write it, man. Look, up trending CVD the whole way into that low, guys. So if you're not aware, this is something that you should be aware of. You see this, and then you see this. Okay, look at that. You got buyers stepping up here. This is very confidence building. Okay, you can see how buyers are stepping up here to push price up. Incredible. Okay, very useful, right? That's why I took the longs last night. We had a key area, CVD divergence. That means what? CVD divergence is called absorption. Absorption is very, very handy, especially in key areas. Just like anything, you want confluence. So if you're looking at a key area and you see it looking to reverse, is CVD. Let's look up top here. What is CVD suggesting here? Well, we have higher highs, right? Lower highs. A little bit of absorption up at the top here, right? So, sellers stepping up. We'll see if they want to continue to push price down, if we need to come back here or not, right? But it helps. It helps. Anything to help, but not confuse. Okay? Anything to help, but not confuse. Okay? If you're taking a trade on the 3-minute time frame, and your confirmation is on the 3-minute time frame, why are you trying to take a 12-minute time frame trade? Okay? You don't need to confuse yourself. Right? Trading is hard enough. You need things that add, build confidence, and work. Probability-wise, right? If you don't have things that, help with... CVD helps you with confidence, in my opinion. You can see buyers are stepping up, sellers are stepping up, right? You don't see strengths, right? If you can't see strengths, why are you trying to buy it? You see weakness, you're trying to sell it. Get in line, right? You want to be with the river. You don't want to swim upstream. You want to be with the river, right? I'm getting all philosophical and shit, man. I got to stop this. Market Monkey is a free app. It's like a trading view, but it has a lot of good stuff on it, man. It's data pulled from isn't CVD one of the few leading indicators? I would say nothing is leading. However, it can help you hold the trade. I think that's the best thing about CVD. So if I'm long from here and CVD is increasing, I'm cool. I know that buyers are stepping up throughout this price action, which is great. Okay, it can help me hold the trade longer, right? If I'm looking for a reversal down here and I see CVD was dropping and then all of a sudden it's starting to go up here and I get divergences, right? I can say that, hey man, this is a potential reversal area. I can see buyers are stepping up in here. I could potentially get long, right? So I have so many indicators thrown at me. I don't need more unless they're going to add confidence or confluence and help me make more money, right? I'm making money, so why would I change it, right? It's important to adapt and grow and add more, add more things. Like the orb. I didn't trade orb until like a year ago, but I back tested it for like 4 months. Right? And then I brought it to the family, and now we all trade orb. Now everybody trades orb, right? So everyone's now Orby1 Kenobi. They all think they know orb, and they all trade it. Whatever. They can do what they want, man. I'm happy to help. Nice push here. Bull divs, continuation back up here. Solana trying to push as well, coming into market open. NASDAQ looks healthy, strong, retest, continuation trade here. Put a 1 in the chat if you are long. Put a 1 in the chat if you are long. Where are you at with the giveaway, guys? We're trying to get them to 1,000 subscribers, guys. 966. We can do better than that, guys. Come on. If we hit 1,000 today, I will do 2 giveaways. If we hit 1,000 today, I will do 2 giveaways, man. 3 no active trades. Yeah, I'm on hands too, man. I will do 2 giveaways today. If we hit 1,000. Come on, guys. Don't be a namby-pamby. Solana retested previous lows. Where are we at with the WAP on Solana? Okay. Aggressive move through VWAPs, typically bullish, guys. Coming back within the range. Bull divs, trigger wave, trying to push up. 12-minute trigger wave, trying to push up. 24-minute, trying to push up. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. We're live here every morning. How many of you guys taking the trades, showing the trades, making crypto honest again? The 4, the 3, the 2, and the 1. A little bit overextended is my only concern right now. So when we're looking at market cipher, just a little bit overextended here. So we may not continue to push today, but however, there is a little bit of room. So we'll see. The 12-hour looks good. Beautiful trigger wave pushing out here. Same with the daily. Inward curvature. VWAP pushing up. Defending the 0 line on the 2-day. Beautiful. 3-day. Flat, which is good. So the higher term time frames looking to potentially push, which is a good sign. Green money flow on the 8-hour. Trigger wave pushing out. Very good signs. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Overextended. Need to cool off. Jesus take the wheel on 2-hour. Okay, so we would look for Jesus to take the wheel on the 2-hour. We would look for this guy right here on the 2-hour. That would be around tomorrow if we're going to get it. We'll see. And then the 1-hour here, looking a little bit overextended, bearish divergence, okay? Trying to push through this level, guys. It's really trying, man. It's 8 hours into labor here. 8 days or something like that. Who knows? Okay, so we'll see if we can continue to push here. 24 is trying to go. 12 is trying to go. Bullish momentum. Decent inflation data. Okay, so we'll see what we get coming into market open. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, subscribing if you're new. Welcome to the AlexOCrypto show, where we talk a lot of smack, but we have a lot of fun because trading's hard, man. So I'm just grateful for you guys hanging out with me, joining the Discord. I mean, if you're in the Discord, signals, setups, 8 different traders, live streams, lessons, 150 lessons, dash trades like this, banged yesterday. My goodness gracious, 80% gains. Solana setup in the Discord from me last night. Beautiful long here. I mean, it's nonstop. So if you do want to take your trading further, join the Discord. And thank you for being here. If you don't join the Discord, either way, I'm just grateful you're here and hanging out with me, because it's trading's lonely, man. It's weird. It's weird. You're just here clicking buttons, and making people's salaries for the week. You make a $2,000 trade. You don't realize someone's grinded 40 hours for that, and we do it in seconds sometimes, right? So I'm grateful to be here and grateful to share this experience with you guys. So thank you for supporting the channel and hanging out here. If you're new here, we're live every morning, 8 a.m. to 10:15. Today we'll go into the Discord right after the live stream and do some more live trading. And we do Asia at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. So we'll do the auto gang Asia trading. Okay, so simple. We press buttons you don't believe. Okay, we get a little bit AlexOCrypto after dark. It's a whole different experience. If you do want to come and trade Asia with us, we like to have a lot of fun, man. So thank you for being here, everybody. We'll see what the market brings. One degenerate trade this morning, $300 out of the market. Still waiting. Looking to push here. This looks good. Oh, man. What's going on, Squid? Good to see you, man. Piper. Ada Ace in the chat. What's going on, man? Users, Mr. Pixel. Lunar Beaches Crypto. Everybody should be pumping up your channel, man. 2 giveaways today. If we can pump up this damn channel to 1,000 subscribers, guys. What are we at now? I'm giving 2 giveaways. 971. We need 29 more mofos. Come on, guys. 29 more. 2 giveaways. What is this? Rookie numbers, man. Bitcoin pushing. Solana pushing. Trapping traders before market opens. Interesting. Good morning, iBuy. Thank you for being here. We'll see if we do continue to push here. 8 minutes till open. Trying to go. I don't have the light on today in the office. Maybe I should turn the light on. I feel like I'm in the dark. 1 second. I haven't gotten coffee either. Let me run and grab coffee quickly. Let me run and grab coffee. You guys can just go over to Lunar Beaches Crypto and subscribe there, and then we'll call that even. I'll be right back. And turn on the light.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that are flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolio.
Let there be light.
Exceptional gain. I'm trapping this. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter game.
It's too bright here. We're gonna put the hat on. Look at the OG merch, man. This stuff. Fire. Absolute fire. Don't look at me for TRB.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital.
Up only.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Crypto. AlexOCrypto. All right, buyers stepping up here, pushing price. This looks very healthy. You guys are all long. Good job, everybody. How are we making out with the subscriptions for Lunar Beaches Crypto coming into market open?
Welcome.
75. We need 25 more. We can do it, guys. 25 more subscribers, man. Jeez. You guys really making me work, man. He's gone, pump it. The song is why I'm here. The black and the white OG merch. Let's go, Bearded Mac. My man. God bless you, man. Yeah, there's like snapback hats. There's old man hats. We got like the one with the leather with the clasp at the back, and we also have these ones too. I'm here for the beatbox. Boom, boom, boom. Whoever doesn't subscribe is gay. Yeah, I agree. $5,000 coffee. We're not doing one of those today, man. Coming into market open, we'll see the volatility come in here. A little bit of a little push up here. I think we're coming back into like a block here, enticing buyers. I mean, we swept the low, which is something that we were looking for, but Solana looks a lot better. Solana bull div continuation out here. Rotation back into our resistance, looking to come up to 144. Big resistance at 147. We'll see if we get there. Looking strong so far. Okay, so, I mean, not my entry criteria. I mean, aggressive moves through VWAP continuation trade possibility, but not something I'm looking to trade right now. A little bit of patience right now. I think it's going to go a long way. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you for being here. What's going on, everybody? We got 507 people here, 252 likes. Incredible, man. That's crazy. 250. I didn't even have to ask that much. I'm here for the beatbox. Who doesn't subscribe? Yeah. I'm here for large aubergine. Yes. Big schlong trades. Benzie boy. Let's go. You was trying to get with me. Classic, man. So good. So good, man. Rozelle. You're still not ready for the 4 elements. Earth. Boom, 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 boom. Too good. Let's go. Pushing into market open here. My God. Up only. Up only, guys. That inflation data has gotten everybody excited. Oof. Dump on NASDAQ. Caution. Caution, everybody. Caution. Market is about to open. Get your Pampers out. Oof. We'll see. We'll see. No trade right now. Still waiting. Showing you the trades. Annoying. Spelling. Sorry, I went there. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Push it. Push it to the limit. Man, what a push. This is good. Solana trying to break out. One minute till market opens, guys. This is pretty juicy right now. I'm looking for follow through here. Continuation. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. Before we get going here, if you're new here, please go over here. We're doing a giveaway. Comment Otter Gang over here. Okay, doing 2 giveaways. Subscribe, please. Please subscribe. Trying to get this to 1,000 subscribers, guys. We need 25 more subscribers. You guys can do it. You guys have the power. Go and support good people, man. 30 seconds till market opens. 2 giveaways if we get to 1,000 subscribers today. 1 giveaway if we don't. 25 more people, man. New York is pumping, baby. Pumping. There is no second best. Just sending it. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. We'll see. Nice push here. Ding, 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 ding. Market is open, everybody. Gap is up. Gap up this morning. Not too big, but a nice gap up, to say the least. Okay, we'll see how we go here. Bitcoin pushing up, trying to go. Trapping traders, in my opinion. Rolling back down. Dash setup from the Discord. I got to get off of Dash here, guys. Dash is not serving me right now. I need to go to Solana. 12 minute. Solana 3 minute. Solana trying to break out and push. Solana 12 minute. Holding strong here. Looking to push up. Continuation. Looking good. Okay. Flying, man. Coming up for these highs for Solana. Bitcoin looking strong as well. SPY is, geez, looking really nice. Looking really nice. Little gap now. Not much. Trying to push and continue. NASDAQ sweep of the lows. Continuation up. Looking like a breakout here on Solana. Got Bitcoin pushing too, man. Congratulations on your longs, everybody. GG's in the chat for everyone in the longs. I'll put a 1 and a GG for all you guys. Good job, everybody. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel. We'll see. We'll see if we sweep and dump here. That would be cool. Sweep and dump. Possibility. Golden pocket resistance up top above us here. So this is a major area of resistance. We have uptrending momentum holding, trying to push out. Good inflation data this morning. We'll see how that affects price action going into this. Okay, looking to push double top here on Solana. No trade. NASDAQ rolling over, failing to push. S&P failing to push. Pump and dump. Pump and dump. Caution here on Bitcoin. Everybody excited? We'll see. We shall see. Thank you for being on the live. We got 550 people in here. God bless you guys. Thank you for being here. Doing a giveaway today on Lunar Beach's Crypto's channel. 2 giveaways, access to the Discord, massive setups, 8 traders, signals, setups, all the good stuff, man. So come over there and hang out. We're doing the giveaway. Go over to this video and comment Otter Gang, please. Subscribe, 1,000. We need to get him to 1,000 subscribers, everybody. That's the goal. Double top on Solana. NASDAQ rolling over. SPY rolling over. Caution, caution, caution. That's all I got to say is careful here, guys. Looking for pullbacks. Pullbacks are typically for buying. We'll see. No trade yet. Trying to flip this support and resistance level for Solana. Bitcoin trying to push out. Looking good. So far, so good. So far, so good. We'll see if we continue. NASDAQ trying to hold on here. SPY trying to hold on here now. Okay. Looking better. Coming back down Bitcoin. Coming back down Solana. Double top here, guys. Double top. If we reject from here, it could be nasty. Be prepared. Lots of liquidity to come back and grab if we do want to roll over from here. So no trade for me. I'm not the top blasting type, okay? So we're going to wait here. NASDAQ and SPY trying to hold. Volatility is pretty wild this morning. Bearish divergence on Solana. Trying to continue here. Trying to push out. Yeah. Bit overextended in my opinion, but anything that's kind of ripping is overextended, isn't it? So oscillators are only good for certain things, man. I mean, you can't. When price starts just ripping, man, it just stays up, right? So we'll see if it wants to continue here. Congratulations on your longs, everybody, from this morning. Good job. And everybody on your longs from last night in our Discord. Good job. Thank you guys for being here. How many subscribers do we got them at now? I'm watching on my other screens here.
Welcome back to
We need 11 more subscribers, guys. 11 more subscribers. Go over here, subscribe, comment Otter Gang. We're going to do the giveaway. 11 more, guys. Come on, man. Be kind. Don't be a douche canoe, man. 11 more. Look at this push. Let's go. Valhalla. Push it, Biddy. Push it, Biddy. No trade for me right now. I'm on hands. I'm on full hands right now, guys. Upset. I'm on hands and I'm upset. How about that? I'm on hands and I'm upset. 990. 10 more subscribers. 10 more subscribers. 2 giveaways. Come on. Come on, baby. Pump his numbers. No more rookie numbers. Nice push here, guys. I mean, I can't justify taking this trade. There's no... If anything, we're looking for an SFP rejection short. That's what we're looking for right now. I should have longed down here. Didn't. NASDAQ looks really good. SPY looks really good. Bitcoin looks really good. Come on, baby. It's time to go, Bitcoin. Just go for a ride. Pay everybody here on the live stream. We need you to go. Get moving, man. Get moving. Let's go. Here we go. Push it, you nambe pambe. Looking for an order block retest on Solana and Bitcoin right now. So let it push. Let it come back and continue. Doing the giveaway today. Please go over here. We need 10 more subscribers over here, guys. 10 more subscribers on Lunar Beach's Crypto's channel. I'm doing 2 giveaways if we get to 1,000. This is a great push, man. Congratulations, guys, on your longs, man. I wish I was in it with you guys, but that's okay. Congratulations on your longs, man. I mean, you got to find people who cheer you on too, right? You got to want your people to succeed. Pump and dump. Caution here. If people aren't, cheering you on, I think, oh my God, we hit it. Lunar Beaches Crypto, 1,000 subscribers, motherfucker. My guy. We finally did it, Soprano. We finally did it, man. Fuck, that was an effort, man. I had to beg you guys. I had to beg you guys. Comment picker. No trade for me right now. Otter gang. Guys, thank you so much for coming through for my good friend Lunar Beaches Crypto. He's been grinding for years, man. So thank you for supporting his channel. He streams in the evenings. Good TA. Good human. He's a father. He is a father. Doing the giveaway right now. Yes, Alexandra G. Spin again, she says. Spin again. Spin again. She's giving it away, man. She's giving it away to you guys. She's just a bachelor. Looking for a partner. Someone who knows how to rock without even falling on. I'm just a bachelor. Looking for a partner. Let's go, Mega Max. Congratulations, Mega Max. Mega Max winning. Otter gang. Come over to the Discord, claim your prize, open up a ticket. Don't make it hard for me. And one more. Alexandra G, God bless you. Thank you for giving it away. One more. Get in the comments. Boom. Arsh, leash, bees, see cuatro, one, two. Wu-Tang Clan ain't nothing to, with Tony Soprano ain't nothing to fuck with. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Tony Soprano. Let's go. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Baby Otter is having a little scream. We're out here, man. You've put some hours into that. I used to beatbox a lot as a kid. Man. I grew up in Toronto's hood, okay? Not the hood, but in Toronto's hood. And I can't rap, guys. So the white kid dropped the beats. Let's be real. We need a Jason Casper collaboration. That's all. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Alexander G giving it away. Tony Soprano. Winning chicken dinner. I already have your TRC address, Tony Soprano, so I will be sending you some moolah, my man. God bless you, bro. Thank you for always protecting the community and keeping the gang safe, man. Best Discord in all of crypto. You won membership or money. Depends on if you are in the Discord already. Mega Max, he isn't a member. You get a free membership. I'll give it to you after the stream, man. And we're going to do live trading after this. So, thank you guys for getting Lunar Beach's crypto to 1,000 subscribers, guys.
Welcome back to Lunar Beach.
Oh my God. LBC, look at that, bro. You a one-digit man now. Look at this. Look at this beautiful, handsome, sexy, bearded chinchilla mic wearing motherfucker. 1K subs. Let's go, man. God bless you, man. I love you. Happy New Year's. Merry Christmas. I told you for Christmas I was going to get you 1,000 subscribers. I tried my hardest, bro. Bitcoin's going to the moon. What am I supposed to do with this? Order block retest continuation here for Solana. NASDAQ dumping. Double top. SPY rolling over. Caution. This could be a trap, guys. Like, trapping traders at the highs here, guys. No trades up here, man. No trades, in my opinion. Do not be, unless you're shorting, swing shorting, no top blasting. Please, please, please. We're here live every morning, taking the trades, showing you the trades, making crypto honest again. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. I do appreciate you guys hanging out. 500 people in here. 300 likes. You guys are cool, man. Thank you guys. Taking trades, showing the trades. Caught the bottom yesterday. Closed it early. Top blasted this. Closed it. Just trying to be patient here. Bitcoin in the golden pocket right now. In a major rejection zone, everybody. So you're really not wanting to test the bears here. Doesn't mean we can't continue up. I'm not that guy. But I would be looking for a retest continuation. We try to be patient here, everybody. Okay? Discord live continuation of this. Tony Soprano winning the giveaway. Would Soul hit 144? We'll see, man. We'll see. Resistance up in here. Support and resistance flip. Trying to push out. For the third time, roll again. Dude, I've closed it all, man. I've closed it all. You can pick someone in the chat. How about that? Ain't nobody got time for that. Okay, I'll do it again. You're giving it away, man. I don't know if it's the same address here. Pornhub. Off. You're making me work, bro. I'm upset now. I gotta go and get the link. Where's the link? Where's the link to this damn video? Tony, I can't believe you're making me do the work today, man. 69. 12. We're doing it again, guys. You really slow it down for the old school. Sip it up. Boom, 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 Seabass. When the night has come. Congratulations, FTW, baby. Double top bearish divergence right now. Tony does normally tell me to work less. Congratulations. Open up a ticket. We'll get you hooked up, man. Welcome to the gang. Gang, gang. Let's go, baby. Tony Soprano giving it away, man. Seabass, come over to the Discord. We will hook you up, man. Where you can get signals like this and make your whole life savings in one trade. Retest of order block. Looking down here. First test is the best test. We'll see. 9:47. Thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel, hanging out here. God bless you guys. Hopefully you're all having a good day. We have the S&P rolling over here. So this is a little bit of caution, in my opinion. No trade right now. Still waiting. Solana trying to hold and push here. Retesting trend line. Continuation. Retest of previous highs. Continuation. Fair value gaps down in here. So I'm concerned more down here. We'll see if we get it. A little bit overextended this morning. So into major resistance here on Bitcoin. No trade yet. Still waiting because of the bullish momentum. I'm just hesitant to. I'm not really that keen on longing up here, guys. There's tons to come back for down below. However, nice push. SPY is concerning right now. SPY is telling me a story that we should be very, very cautious longing here until we see a SPY reversal. NASDAQ holding the top, but the SPY I think is the tell right now, guys. This is not pretty for a SPY move. So still waiting here, guys. No trade right now. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Come on down. Yeah. Orb in, Sol. Yep. Let's put in the orb here. Sorry about that. I've been slacking. Just trying to give it away, guys. Too much giveaways and not enough trading. Guys, we trading all the time here on the live stream. Always taking the trades, showing the trades. So, I mean, there's always trades. Oh, orb breakdown would be so nice right now. This would be gorgeous. This right here would be so sexy. VWAP slap too, something like that. Oh my God. I would short this to 0. Look at this liquidity. Oof. Oof. That would be the trade of the day. You would look like this. Like this. AlexOCrypto's a bear now. Oh man, that would be so hot. We'd be rich. We could retire our bloodlines. However, I do like the fair value gap tap in continuation on Soy Boy Lana. We'll see. Exhaustion up at the highs. Bearish divergence, exhaustion up at the highs. Give it another 5 minutes. Bitcoin. All right. Well, it's been a fun morning, everybody. I can't believe we finally got LBC to 1,000 subscribers. That's cool, man. That's cool. That guy's been grinding. He's been grinding, man, with his chinchilla microphone. He legit has a chinchilla microphone, man. It's like fuzzy and shit. It looks so cozy. Got a pretty mouth there, boy. It looks so cozy. Chill the shorts, press long. The day Alex is showing buying absorption on 3-minute CVD. I haven't checked. Let me check. No. Concerningly bearish. Looks like big sellers just came in for Binance. Yeah, CVD. Yeah, you do have absorption here. Sorry. On Bitcoin. Higher highs, lower highs. Yeah, on Bitcoin you have it. Sellers taking control right now on Solana. But on Bitcoin you have it. You're correct. Rolling over here, coming down into the range again. Getting everybody too happy here. Too happy slappy. Bottom of the orb, retest, continuation trade. Solana rolling over here. Fair value gap being filled right now. NASDAQ rolling over. S&P with the tell, man. The S&P gave it away. Right? S&P gave it away. We could have shorted there. Coming back down to reality here for the S&P. I'd like to see Solana come and go. That would be the one. That's what I would look for on Solana right now. No trade here. This is a little retest slap. We could push back into this resistance and continue down here. Chopping at the orb. Golden pocket rejection on Bitcoin. Still waiting here. Thank you everybody for being here and hanging out. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10:15, taking the trades, helping you guys navigate the charts. Thank you for supporting other traders today in the Discord and on YouTube. Helping people who help themselves. That's important. It is important to support other people, especially the little peoples, man. The little people's where it's at. I mean, the signals in the Discord have been on absolute fire. We get the dash signal. Oh my God. This yesterday, market in. Oh my God. 80% move, man. You can pay for your Discord 20 times and your friends and your mom's Discord membership with that trade. I mean, that's just one of them. There's like, we hit a massive XRP trade as well. Incredible. Look, 8 traders, guys. 8 traders. You can't keep up with it. Live streams. I'm going live scalping after this. My God. I can't give you all the goodies, but my God, did we... Ching, Fett. You like Fett? Boba Fett? XRP? In the place to be? My God. On fire. On fire. Good patience here up at the highs. Very good patience here. I'm happy with that. Coming down, sweeping the lows here for Solana. S&P rolling over. Soy Boy Lana trying to hold here. Considering a long here on Solana. See if we can slap and bounce. No trade yet. Bitcoin's got a hold here as well. I like this for Solana. I'm long. Stop loss to entry. I like the sweep into the block here, guys. I like the sweep into this block. See if we can push up 820 bucks here. I really like that, the volume on that candle. That was really nice. I can't just give you guys these ones, man. There's a really nice volume sweep. I don't know how to explain it to you guys besides it looked juicy, man. It's something I look for all the time. We have an order block. We have a slap through order block. Overextended to the downside. Continuation trade back up. All right. These aren't ones I can really give you. I can't. It's never financial advice, but like something like this, I'm not gonna put you at risk. But that is a fucking entry. Okay, this is where I'm allowed to swear. Okay, this is where I'm allowed to swear. Okay, gang, gang, gang. I mean, we'll see if we push back up here, but damn, Daniel, let's go, Biddy. Let's go. Slap into order block continuation here. GG's in the chat, everybody. Thank you guys for being here. That's a general ideal play. Yeah. We'll see if we can follow through here. I mean, lower part of the range. I mean, I would prefer the sweep in here, but I like the volume on this candle. That's why I took this trade. A little quick scalp right back up to the low here. See if we follow through. If not, whatever. It's cool. Okay. How's everybody doing here? Everybody making lots of money? GG's. Good job, everybody. Rashad. Dave Digital, my man. Zcash. Okay. Zcash is in my pocket. That's where Zcash is, man. 2 trades today, up $1,000 so far. Happy days. Actually up 1,100. One for 280 and one for 820. That's actually exactly $1,100. That's pretty cool, man. I did math, guys. Clicking buttons. That was the easiest short. Let's go, flipped bits. I'm gonna come and grab your stop loss up here, bro. I'm kidding, man. I'm kidding. I don't want to take your stop loss, man. I'm sure you've paid yourself nicely. Congratulations on your shirt, man. Great job. Grazie, grazie. Did you just say he had a pretty mouth? Oh, man. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. It makes me so happy to see Lunar Beach's crypto at 1,000 subscribers, man. That's so, my God. That's cool. Isn't that cool, Piper? Lunar Beach's crypto is 1,000. Is that 1,000 subscribers, man? Look at that. When's the last red day you had? Last week, I think Thursday, I was down. I lost $3,000. $3,000 down day. I've had 2 red days. There we go, stopped out. Yeah, I've had 2 red days this year. Wave Cipher gave the big long on Bitcoin. Did that hit your TP there, Wave Cipher? GG's in the chat. There we go. We have 2 trades today. You guys can even see here. We're always showing you the trades, taking the trades. Okay, you can see that we made $800 in a matter of seconds. You can see where I opened the trade as well. I did not open that at the beginning of the stream and just hold it there. I showed you guys throughout the whole thing. 7:54. It is 8 a.m. where I am, and I closed it, right? Okay, so I'm not one of these guys who open the trade overnight and show you the trade in the morning and say I'm a genius, okay? I also trade my own money. Okay, a lot of exchanges, you guys probably don't know this who are watching, but a lot of exchanges will give traders who have an audience free money to trade with. Okay, ask them to withdraw their funds live in front of you. Okay, ask them to do it. Ask them to show you their full total account and ask them to move the money around because it's not theirs. It's the exchange's money that they give them. Okay, don't get twisted. Okay, don't get it twisted. What you see is sometimes don't believe everything you see. Don't believe what you see. It's all bullshit. Okay? All they want you to do is sign up with their exchanges, trade the volume on their exchanges, collect your fees. You are a peasant to them. You are. You are a free ride, man. So if you are going to use someone's affiliate link, support small creators who are actually deserving of it. That's my opinion. I don't ask you to use my affiliate links, my exchange fees. I don't need it. Okay? I don't need it. Anyways, I digress. Let's look for the next trade. Don't get me started, guys. I'm not going there. I'm not going there. Nice rollover here. Nice rollover coming back down here. Now this is the area that I did want on Solana. S&P looks like absolute trash panda right now. NASDAQ dumping, man. Solana dumping. Slap and go. I'm not taking this trade. I'm pretty content with my I'm pretty happy with my trades so far. A little bit of patience here. Oh man. Even that Solana trade was a little bit risky. I did like the volume on that candle, and it's hard to explain. It's hard for me to teach this one. This is the hardest thing. You have to have watched price action. If you don't understand the volume in a candle, how it moves, you can only really learn this from watching price action. Get in the 30-second, okay? Get in the 30-second time frame. Turn off everything, okay? Okay, and turn on your volume. And zoom in, okay? Do you see the volume in the candle, guys? Do you see why I long this right here? Right? Do you see it? I didn't even have volume turned on my screen and I could see it. Okay? This is going to give me a push back if it stops. If it stops, it's going to give me a push back. I understand that. That's hard to teach, right? Solana, same thing. 30-second chart. Right? Where do we get long? Right in here, right? Take off everything. You guys need to go and spend time in the charts if you haven't, right? Look at the volume in this candle. Whoop, right down, volume, right? Stops, pushes back halfway up the candle. There's your take profit, right? So I ain't trying to. You mark it in right here. Stop loss is literally right here. Your first take profit is this low. You front run it a little bit so you get filled. That is your strategy right there. Look at this thing holding, man. 30-second. See? Slap, retest, doji, engulfing. This is the hardest thing to teach. Unless you've spent, there's a certain amount of time you must spend looking at price action. Otherwise, you won't understand what's going on. Right? Bullish engulfing. Retest halfway down the candle. Come back down. Continuation. Right? So you're looking for this guy. Come back halfway down. Continuation up. Retest to previous lows. Okay? It's fast, guys. It's fast. Order block in here. So you have a block in here. Trend has switched. Mitigation. Continuation. Right? Retraces up in here. This would be your golden pocket retracement level. Rotation down. So I'm looking here. I'm looking here for rejections. I'm looking for this to push up into this block here. Retest the lows. Okay. It's a lot. It's a lot. You got to be able to see this without me drawing Etch-a-Sketch on it, right? VWAP support. What have we done here, though? We've swept liquidity of what? The lows in here, right? We just took the liquidity out of this low right here. Right? So it gives permission for this thing to push back up halfway down the candle. Continuation trade, doji engulfing, holding VWAP, trying to push up into this order block. Will this get absorbed and push back down? We don't know, right? We should trade on the 30-second chart. We'll go 5-second chart if you guys want to. My God. Okay, higher highs, higher lows, continuation, liquidity in this low here, pushing up into this order block, retest to previous lows right now. Okay, retest to previous lows, strength coming into the market, trying to push back, trying to take the liquidity out of this low, needs to break this high in order for continuation. Want to see it take this high, right? Retest back in here, continuation back up into this high here. Liquidity, liquidity, liquidity. Failure to push. Continuation momentum here. See if we can go. It's a lot, guys. I get it. But unless you've invested the time in here, you're not going to know what you're looking at, right? Anybody get long on the VWAP slap here? Put a 1 in the chat. If you got long on the VWAP slap, congratulations, Otter. Gang, gang, gang. Look at that thing push, man. You guys are crushing it. I'm too busy giving you guys lessons and not trading. Holding the momentum, continuation. Reclaim of orb is bullish, continuation trade. Right? Buy that candle. Stop loss below the low. Rotation to the top of the orb. Very easy trade setups. Okay? I teach you guys this. Great job, everybody. Congratulations on your long. Congratulations, Jax, Dina, Doe, John, Q, John, User, Grandmaster, Laurent. Good job, guys. What did this guy say? I want a drug test. I used to do drugs. I'm sober. I used to do drugs and party a lot, man. And then I met the girl of my dreams and got sober. I'm 6 years, no drugs and alcohol, man. Thanks for being here, though, bro. I talk a lot, man. That's just me. Welcome, Flipped Bits. Hopefully you flipped some bits today, man. I'm a huge square. Yeah, man. No drugs or alcohol for me, man. I'm on that healthy lifestyle, man. I used to party like an animal. I've had fun. She made you stop having fun? No, my wife is amazing, man. My wife is incredibly fun, man. We have so much. I mean, me and the wife, we don't need drugs and alcohol to have fun, man. She's a sweetheart. We've done 40-year road. We traveled the world for 3 years. We went to Australia, Edinburgh, Scotland. What? I mean, we did 40-day road trips all over the Canadian mountains. We've gone Portugal, Bali, Greece. We've traveled the world. We did a whole lap around the earth. Man, we've had so much fun. Incredible. Life is good, man. And we did it with no money. I was broke as fuck. I'm telling you. Now I'm married with kids and grateful, man. Grateful. Family man. We lapped the earth. We decided to go adventure for 3 years. This is what we did. I have some videos of like our road trip and stuff like that. But we did this over 3 years. We started here. So my wife, I met her. She's from the UK. She came over from the UK, whee, all the way to Toronto, right in here. We drove across the country. We did all of the Rocky Mountains, Alberta, all the way up to the Yukon, looked at Alaska, came all the way back down, 40 days on the road. Then we flew from all the way over here and then went all the way to England. Lived in West Midlands, moved up to Scotland. Then we did Portugal and we did Greece. Then we flew all the way back. We went all the way down under. We went all the way down under to Australia. Man, I'm going to have to zoom out here. We went all the way from here. You got to fly to Abu Dhabi first. You go to Abu Dhabi in here, wherever that is. Abu Dhabi, and then all the way to Sydney. Lived here on Sydney. Traveled here, then went to Bali as well. We went to Bali. We did the Bali trip here. I don't know where Bali is, somewhere in here. And then we came all the way back around the earth. We came this way, landed in Vancouver, and then all the way back to Toronto. And now we've driven across all of Canada, and now we're in Alberta. Wild, man. Wild. I tell you, what an adventure. What a fucking adventure. Holding orb. I'm watching it on my other screen, guys. I ain't about to be tricked here. All right, holding orb, trying to push up. See if we can get follow through here. Come to India. I'm from India already, man. Hafiz. That's amazing, Alex. Yeah, we love traveling, man. Oh, we did Vegas for the Bitcoin conference. We want to do US. I'm going to LA to see TradeFly. General area. I'm going to see TradeFly. Then I got to go to Texas and see Dave Digital and Piper. Piper's coming to see me next fall, I think. And yeah, man. Got to travel, man. It's so good. Nice follow through here. Solana trying to hold, trying to push. No trades right now. Still waiting. This looks like we're going to get follow through back into the range here. Spy's trying to hold big order block down here, guys. Still no bottoming structure on SPY or the NASDAQ here, so proceed with caution in my opinion. However, nice push back here on Bitcoin. Holding that lower orb, trying to push to the top of the orb. Congratulations, guys, on your longs. You guys been doing good. Little trigger wave here on the 3-minute, trying to push up. 12-minute, contrarian here. Bearish divergence, 3 drives. Okay, so bullish momentum, but be aware of this, guys. So if you start to lose structure up here, or you have a structure break in here, you should be looking to short it down to this liquidity in here. Okay, be aware of that, guys. Wild, man. 520 people hanging out here, guys. I do appreciate it. Subscribing and all that good stuff, man. It means a lot to me. I'm gonna send you over to the Piper Academy, where you guys can go and talk shit to Piper. Tell him how handsome he is. Tell him that he needs to say gang, man. That's it. 2 trades today, up 1,100. Happy days, man. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful day. Discord, here we come. We're going to come into the Discord, continue trading. Join the Discord if you want. Love to see you there. If not, I'll see you here tomorrow. Actually, Asia tonight, guys. I'll see you in Asia. Have a wonderful evening, guys. Thank you guys for your support. And I will see you guys later. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the